Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. It's Unky, whenever or wherever you're watching this video. Thank you for taking the time out of your schedule to watch today's video. I hope everyone's having the best day or the best week of their life. Today, I just want to do a short video about a couple of science-based health benefits from pumpkin seeds. It's that time of the season where pumpkins are growing. It's Halloween, so let's talk about it. So today's video is going to be about the health benefits from pumpkin seeds that are backed by science. Leave a comment below with what your favorite benefit is from eating pumpkin seeds. Let's hit 11,000 subscribers on this channel. With all that out of the way, let's get into today's video and talk about the science-based health benefits from pumpkin seeds. Research has confirmed that pumpkin seeds are very nutrient. They are rich in sources of protein, unsaturated fats, vitamins, minerals, powerful antioxidants that reduce the risk of some diseases that many people face nowadays. Pumpkin seeds have been found to improve heart health, blood sugar levels, fertility, sleep quality. In addition, their high nutrient content may provide other health benefits such as increasing energy, improved mood, and immunity. The first and the amazing thing about pumpkin seeds is it's full of nutrients and a wide range of them. It contains antioxidants, polyunsaturated fatty acids, potassium, vitamin B2, folate, and much more. It is high in antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation and protect your cells from harmful free radicals. It's been linked to reduce the risk of certain cancers that you might. So here's some of the science-based health benefits from pumpkin seeds. First, it's an anti-inflammatory. Pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants which protect our cells from damage and reduce inflammation in our body. The phenols in pumpkin seeds help fend off harmful compounds in the body. The flavonoids have been linked to a broad spectrum of health-promoting actions, such as a protection from cancer, artery hardening, Alzheimer's disease. And these antioxidants effect may be even stronger with roasted pumpkin seeds. It has anti-cancer properties. Pumpkin seeds can inhibit the growth of breast or prostate cancer cells. It can lower the risk of diabetes. It can lower the risk of diabetes. Since pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium, a mineral most people don't get enough of in their diet. Magnesium content helps regulate blood sugar levels, reduces diabetic or diabetes risk. Pumpkin seeds can help you with heart healthy functions. The magnesium found in pumpkin seeds helps lower and regulate blood pressure. It is high in fiber. Fiber-rich diets promote good digestive health. Are you not getting enough sleep? Do you want better sleep? Well, pumpkin seeds can help you with that. Pumpkin seeds have shown to help get you better sleep. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes sleep. The zinc and copper and selenium in pumpkin seeds can positively impact the duration and the quality of sleep that you're getting. It has been linked to reduce certain cancers, improve prostate and bladder health, very high in magnesium, may improve heart health, since it has a lot of antioxidants, magnesium, zinc, and fatty acids, all of which can keep your heart healthy. Can lower your blood sugar levels, high in fiber, may improve sperm quality. Low zinc levels are associated with reduced sperm quality and an increased risk of infertility for men. May help improve sleep. And it's easy to incorporate in your daily diet. Pumpkin seeds can also help you get a clearer skin. Pumpkin seeds are high in antioxidants and may improve the quality of acne-prone skin. The anti-inflammatory therefore may relieve some symptoms of anti-inflammatory skin problems. It can give you a healthier hair as well. I see many people that eat pumpkin seeds and notice the quality of their hair after either applying pumpkin seed oil or eating pumpkin seeds and doing both have shown really effective, healthier hair in many people, and there's been studies done where this has been proven. If you're looking for hormonal balance or balancing your hormones, try pumpkin seeds out and see if this helps out. It's shown that it can help out with this. Precautions for pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may lose their nutrition benefits if not consumed properly. Not for people who are on diuretic drugs should not be eating pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are not safe for infants. May not be safe for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Not safe for people with hypoglycemia. People can be allergic to pumpkin seeds. And it's also unsafe for people with low blood pressure. So just keep this in mind if you're thinking about incorporating pumpkin seeds to your daily diet. So next time when you're having Greek yogurt or even fruits or even a salad, why not just add a little bit of pumpkin seeds to that? You can just sparkle it anywhere on almost a lot of things, and you won't even notice the flavoring or the taste of the pumpkin seeds.